to deck, approaching the survey line. Stand by to deploy the towfish.
All right, lower away.
Watch the cables, watch the stern.
Steady now and splash.
This slope gradient here is significant. We need to trace this boundary precisely for the airport footprint.
I'm updating the settings to capture that detail.
We should align it just past the dredging zone, right here.
Okay, extending the core sampling line now. This hits the critical depth.
Final check on the tags. Okay, stand clear, we're lifting. Core sample secured. Roger that. 10-meter mark is clear.
Queries. The penetrometer reading here is unusually low for this depth.
Yes, I've logged it.
Yeah.
It matches the anomaly on the CP.
The sampling lines confirm the suitable bearing capacity here.
Good. So Foundation Zone A is approved. We can proceed with the recommended pile lengths.
Roger that. Lowering to 10 meters now. Coordinates and time logged.
Okay, logging the shellfish clusters here. Proceeding to the rock outcrop at monitor 01.
Bridge, this is the drone operator. Grid pattern 2 is 50% complete.
Over.
Based on these core samples, the central zone is stable.
Agreed. Site conditions are suitable for immediate installation.
It is done. We can finally begin.
Excellent news.
Okay, lads, let go of the Springer.
All secure, Captain, we are clear.
Bridge, this is the deck crew. Inspection complete, all cargo secure.
Course adjustment complete, Captain.
Roger that. Engine room, bridge calling. Final route confirmed, proceeding with weather diversion.
Bridge, engine room, all parameters steady.
Roger that. Maintain current course and speed.
Ensure all shackles are secured properly. Confirmed, Supervisor. Bridge, cargo deck, all clear for sea.
Pilot station, this is Guiding Star, approaching the outer anchorage for the pilot.
Guiding Star, the pilot is on approach to your starboard side. Arrival in 5 minutes.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you, Captain. We'll proceed via the approach gate waypoint.
Confirmed. Bridge to autopilot, maintain course for the approach gate. Requesting slight reduction in engine RPM. Depth reading 35 meters and decreasing. Bridge to port tug, maintain slight tension, hold position.
All stations, pilot declaring lines secure. We are secure.
Bridge, supervisor. Line 4 holding at 450 metric tons. Confirmed tension is set. Positioned and ready for cargo operations. Sling 1 secured.
Sling 2, 3, and 4 secured, Chief.
Roger that. Crane, this is Alpha, all ready for main lift.
Hook is secure. Applying tension.
Roger that. Load cell reading 150 tons and increasing.
All right, team, let's secure that pile. Hit the clamps now. Roger that. Applying torque to position 4. Gauge reads good.
Pile number 12 secured.
Great job, team. Keep it moving.
All right, next one ready.
Keep it coming. Easy now. Stack those provisions by the galley entrance.
All right, team, listen up. Night operations protocol is active. Stick to the marked zones and double check your harnesses.
Understood, Chief.
Hook approaching. Confirm visual on lugs.
Visual confirmed. Engaging now.
Tension steady at 1,200 tons. Approaching target height.
Roger. Crane 1, holding position. Wind vector remains stable.
Lower 3 feet.
Hold. Fully seated.
Pile fully engaged and seated.
Torque confirmed, we are stable.
Control, this is Platform 1. Pile 4 is secured, ready for the next lift. Next pile, ready for lift. All clear on deck 4. Roger, setting the pile now.
Base, this is Platform Alpha. Materials flow checkpoint complete. Zone A3 inventory staged and ready for continuous operations. Over.
Load is stable.
The system is moving faster than projected. We anticipate landfall within 6 hours.
Understood. We must accelerate operations now.
Bring it down fast. Watch your taglines.
Clear on the east side.
Secure the final pile. Move to demobilization.
Final pile is secure.
Roger that. Great job, everyone.
Project foundation phase complete.
All systems suspended. Final checks complete.
Copy. Operations suspended. Stand down confirmed.
All checks passed. The pile array is fully compliant with the master specs.
Confirmed on the digital log.
Very good. Let's finalize the acceptance document.
Status is green across the board. The heavy lift vessel is holding steady.
Copy that. We'll start preparations for the next phase. How's the alignment on your end?
We're good to go. Tell him to start the descent.
Clear on the east side, moving starboard.
Copy that. Watch the alignment marks.
Steady as she goes. Lower 2 feet. Easy now.
Hold position.
Perfect alignment. Set her down.
All points secured, Supervisor.
Confirmed. Release the slings.
Ready for next load.
Steady, steady! That's the rhythm. Keep it moving.
Ensure consistent temperature on the joint.
Weld is good. Proceed to the next section.
Confirmed. The system is functioning properly, and the water flow is as designed. All materials accounted for and protected. We are ready to begin the final installation phase.
Dissolved oxygen and salinity are holding steady with the baseline.
Good.
The sediment load is also within expected parameters.
Crane to platform, approaching the pickup point.
Platform copies. All cleared. Proceed with the lift. Lift sequence initiated. Slow and steady.
Copy that. Tension looks stable. Acknowledge the alert tone.
Alignment verified. Proceed with controlled descent.
Roger that, lead. Approaching contact.
All teams move in and secure temporary supports now.
Weld complete. All specifications met. Stamping approved.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Watch the edge on your side. Got it. Bringing the screed through.
Once the concrete surface is initially finished, curing operations begin to allow the concrete to develop structural strength over time.
Check the alignment on Sector 4. Looks good from here. Maintain speed.
All lights are operational and properly calibrated.
Clear the conveyor. We're testing the bypass.
All right, bring the power up on checkpoint 4. Careful with that glass.
Pressure test complete. All systems nominal and secure. All systems are green. Power distribution is fully operational across the facility.
VHF check complete on Channel 3.
All systems green.
Confirm.
Fire suppression active in Sector 2.
Acknowledged. Director.
All systems green. Test complete.
All systems green across the board, Supervisor.
Excellent. Confirmed operational.
Remember, the south cargo area requires a wider turn radius due to the water currents.
Got it. And the fueling previews remain the same.
All systems are green for the soft opening tomorrow.
Baggage handling is fully calibrated and running smoothly.
The audio is a dense soundscape of an active air traffic control facility. It features the rhythmic...
All systems are fully operational, providing continuous real-time oversight of the airport's structural integrity.
Wind steady at 15 knots, visibility 5 clicks, wave height stable.
Confirmed. Conditions are green for initial test flights.
Congratulations, team. We officially confirm Phase 6 completion and operational readiness.
Alignment confirmed on Section 4. Copy that. Applying power now.
All right, everyone, clear the line. Initiating test run sequence 1.
All right, the baggage scale is calibrated and the printer is working. Systems are green across the board. We are ready for activation.
All checklists confirmed. Systems are green across the board. We are operational.
Looks good. All displays synchronized and operational across the terminal.
Connections complete.
Confirmed.
Sequence initialized. Runway active.
System activation successful.
Roger that. All parameters green, we are fully operational.
Initiating pressure test sequence.
All systems go. The infrastructure is ready for aircraft refueling operations.
Check the load balance on Unit 3. Confirmed. All systems are online and within design specifications.
Sprinkler activation sequence engaged.
Copy that.
Evacuation slides deployed on schedule. We are fully operational.
Bridge controls are responsive.
Fuel hydrant clear.
We are ready for aircraft arrival.
Alignment check complete on Platform 3.
Running final diagnostics now.
Excellent work, team. Confirming infrastructure is ready for arrival.
Power systems nominal.
Fire alert in Concourse C. Activate sprinklers.
Test complete. All systems are go.
Based on the comprehensive review, the regulatory authority is pleased to issue this operational safety certificate. Congratulations.
Hold the line steady. We're looking good.
Confirmed. All specifications met.
Recipients. The blue zoning must align precisely with the floor pattern for visual flow.
And the accessible features are all verified.
Checkpoint alignment verified.
Excellent work. This system is fully operational and intuitive. All retail and dining spaces are ready for commercial operator activation and customer service launch.
All systems are integrated and ready for passenger operations.
Cactus 1215 cleared for takeoff runway 27 right. Wind 290 at 8 knots.
Vitals stable. Ready for immediate transport.
Clipper 601 Heavy, welcome to Aquatopia International. Follow the greens to Gate 5.
Roger, Gate 5. Thank you, ground.
In the event of an emergency, please follow the illuminated floor path.
Tower, Clipper 22, ready for 22. Cleared for takeoff. Approach, this is Flight 123, established on the localizer.
500, 400, 300.
Flight 124 Heavy, you are cleared to land runway 34.
All systems are fully operational. Supervisor. The night cycle is stable.
All environmental parameters remain in compliance. File the report. Sector 4 requires immediate attention based on the friction test data.
Understood. I'm scheduling the polymer overlay for tonight.
Gear assembly clear.
Diagnostics confirm green across the board.
All checks complete. Aircraft is cleared for service.
This concludes the drill. All personnel understand the procedures and all systems are functioning properly.
All systems are operational. We are ready to protect the airport and its passengers.
The comprehensive audit confirms that the airport meets all operational readiness standards and is prepared for safe, efficient operations.
This assessment confirms our personnel demonstrate a strong safety culture and thorough understanding of all operational procedures.
All scheduled maintenance and inventory checks are verified, Director.
Excellent. The audit is complete and satisfactory.
We confirm that the fuel system quality meets all aviation standards. Aircraft will receive properly certified aviation fuel.
Temperatures are holding steady across the board, Director.
Excellent. The documentation is fully traceable. We are in full compliance.
The environmental liability policy provides comprehensive protection against potential claims.
Agreed. Final Phase 9 closure achieved.
The floating airport is hereby authorized to commence commercial service.
The audio description includes indistinct background sound chatter and announcements, and specific...
Runway 29er, cleared to land, braking action good.
Weather conditions remain challenging, but operations are confirmed safe.
Runway 27 is clear. Departure approved. Continuous operations maintained.
Structural integrity is holding steady against the swells.
Indeed. This data confirms the floating airport's value beyond commercial use.
Clipper 301, cleared approach runway 18.
This facility is crucial for developing the next generation of aviation professionals.
The airport's emergency services and elevated position make it a vital regional disaster response asset.
Welcome to the floating airport. Your passport is verified.
Now boarding all remaining passengers for the flight to the Oceanic Resort.
We built something they said was impossible. It's a testament to what we can achieve together.
I am proud to be part of this historic operation.
The integration of these smart systems ensures our position as the model for future aviation facility operations.